Go big. Celebrate. Bring out the good stuff. It's like rolling out the red carpet for you. This is the experience I want for you. I want you to get this box in the mail from Reserved Grace, and you open it up and you have the most spectacular Isenberg Ice old stock vintage brooch. This is the experience that I want you to have, and this is the experience that you can have if you join my first live selling event, which is Thursday, December 5th at 7 p.m. Central Time. I have done live shows on other platforms, but I have not done a live show on YouTube, and I figured why not just jump in with this array of amazing Christmas brooches and other jewelry. Here's what I love about live sales as a buyer and a seller. As a buyer, I know that although I can't touch the piece, that I can't put my hands on it, I do have a better comfort level seeing a piece like this, which is, let's be honest, more of an investment piece. It's a collector's item. I'd rather see this through a live show where I get a little bit more sense of the color play, the scale. I can look at the back. I can ask questions, which I hope you will do during the live on Thursday, December 5th at 7 p.m. Central Time. There's also the fun of community, coming together. It's just a different environment, and you really get to see the item a little bit better than just a static photo. Now, this is just one of the spectacular pieces that I have that will be in the show on Thursday, December 5th at 7 p.m. Central. These are just a few of the items as well. I have so much more, and I can't wait to show them to you. This piece, I don't know that it's ever been worn, and it's spectacular. Look at the color and look at the movement. Here's another option for you. See, there we go. And you get to see the scale. And then maybe, just maybe, you're looking for that special reindeer. I love this guy. Or, I don't know if this was in my Trifari video or not. I'm putting it in the show. So this is Crown Trifari. This is also a patent pending piece. I'm going to keep the prices fair. I want you to be able to get something special. I would love for your support during my first show. Even if you're not sure, even if you're like, I don't know, especially if you're not sure. And obviously, if you are sure, I want you to be able to get it then, because I need to have everyone pre-registered, and I would hate for you to miss something because you didn't take the time to just quickly pre-register so that I have your information and you're good to go. I'll have some information right here and also pinned in the comments with the information on how to register. I'm going to keep it simple. Let's make it easy. And since I can't serve hot chocolate and little peppermints, there will be prizes. What I hope you'll do is jump into the comments, go to the link, register, do all the things. That way, when it comes time for the show, I can look and I say, yep, we're good to go. You are good to go. You're on there. And you'll get confirmation and all of that before. Leave a comment below. Which of these pieces do you have your eye on? Which is your favorite? Are you willing to share? Some of these pieces are very, very rare. Keep that in mind. Here's what I also encourage you. Right this moment, I'm going to back away. Take a screenshot of this right here. Take a screenshot. And then use Google Lens to search and find some values and find some things, or just get a little bit closer up on them. Just get a little bit more details. I want you to come educated. I want you to come excited. I want you to come in the spirit of we're going to have fun. You feel comfortable and you already know what you want. I love this little guy. Look at his little articulated. Can you see him? Look at him. He's so cute. I can't wait to ship things to you, and I can't wait to see you on Thursday, December 5th at 7 p.m. Central Time.